Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration how to install NLTK library in your Python scripting language, as well as same process you can apply Windows and Linux operating system. So what do you mean by NLP? NLP stands for Natural Language Toolkit and is a Python library working with a natural language processing. It's a considered as one of the most popular library to work with the human language data. So how many problems you can solve using this library, like searching keyword in documentation, tokenization, classification of text, recognition on voice and handwriting, lemmatization, stemming of words. You can solve many problems with the help of NLTK library. So let's start as a demonstration. Open your terminal and just simply type here pip install NLTK and enter. So wait couple of seconds, and after finish the installation you can check this installation is proper execute or not. Type here python and enter, then import here NLTK library LTK and enter. Wait couple of seconds. So this NLTK library is a proper installations are completed, but I need to add or download some languages data type. So type here NLTK dot download and function, enter. Wait couple of seconds. So look at this, such kind of NLTK downloader are open. So here all corpus, all packages out of date, means this updations are coming. I installed so many days ago. So here corpus are available. Some different corpus are there, wordnet, word text. You can install those corpus as like here wordnet, and then click here twice and this corpus is installation. And look at this, some models are there, different types. Which model you want, accordingly you install those model. As just like a double click all packages. How many packages I install already, and rest of packages I'm not installed, like here grammar from NLTK books. So different packages are comes in online. So every month this packages are changing, accordingly your programming skill in related to natural language processing, and download those packages. It's very simple. Just open Python, type import NLTK and type nltk.download. So you can download very easily. So hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss any upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.